Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys this makeup tutorial on Valentine's Day look that I have on my face right now. It's not too glamorous, not as simple. It's somewhere in between that you can wear for a date night, and it gets done so quickly. I'm going to start off by prepping my skin. I'm going to use my Ayurveda pure rose water before I prep my skin with moisturizer, mainly because I feel like liquid helps penetrate the cream product better. I'm also gonna prep my lips right now, so by the time we move on to lipstick, my lips are nice, soft and supple. So I'm using my Biotic whitening lip balm. It's good moisturizing lip balm. Don't sleep on it. It's so inexpensive. It's been so good. So I'm just going to apply a little bit of that lip balm all over my lips. It does have a tint, but because we are going to be covering it up with lipstick later, it doesn't really matter. Next, I'm gonna apply Mama Earth under eye cream with cucumber and coffee for some hydration under my makeup. For moisturizer, I'm using Mother's Purse Ultra Rich Face Cream with cocoa butter and lavender oil today. It's new product I'm trying out, so I don't really have an opinion on it yet, but it does have a smell, which is something I don't prefer in my skincare. However, it hasn't irritated my skin, so we'll see. Moving on to Good Vibes Chin and Neck Skin Firming and Tightening Cream. I'm almost about to run out of it. So happy that this is soon be going to be into my empties. So I'm just going to scoop out a little bit of this. I'm going to apply it all over my chin, neck and collarbone, all over the place really. I know neck is something a lot of people forget to take care, so here's a reminder, do it. I'm going to give my skin about 20 to 30 seconds to absorb all this moisturizer before I apply my primer. I'm going to be using my NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer and mix it with PAC Cosmetic Oil Control Primer. I love this combination actually. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that primer, a bit of both, and it's little stringy. It literally looks and feels like velvet. I'm just going to apply it near my nose and fine lines and wherever I have open pores. It's stirring up, but once you massage it into your skin, it just gives your skin a somewhat glowy but matte feel. The next one is actually a dupe of Hourglass Veil Mineral Primer, or that's what I've heard. I'm not sure because I haven't used the Hourglass one. Before I start with my eye makeup, I like to get done with my brows, and for that I'm using my Miss Clair eyebrow cake. I'm going to pull in hair-like strokes and fill in just sparse areas, and I'm going to keep it as natural as possible because this entire look is very soft and we want the eyes to grab all the attention. To curve my brows, instead of a concealer, I'm going in with a Maybelline Superstay foundation, mainly because the eyeshadow aren't going to be very prominent today. We want to do something that is flattering but also something that you can get away with at a restaurant. So, and concealer will look very out of place if you're not covering your entire lid with eyeshadow. So using a full coverage foundation is best for this kind of looks. I'm going to clean up underneath my brows as well as use this on my lids as a base, and before this starts to crease, I'm going to lightly set it with my Fit Me Loose powder. First, I'm going to start with Sugar Cosmetics Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl, and this is in the shade Brown Eyed Girl, so basically brown. I'm going to pull out this outer winged shade, just the outer corner of my lash line, and then using a small pencil brush, this is Pro Arte PE58, I'm going to lightly diffuse the outer corner, and you can see how easy this is because it's pencil, so there is no fallout and it looks really soft and nice. Using the Last Wish palette from PAC Cosmetic, I'm going to take these two shades and with Pro Arte PE23 blending brush, I'm diffusing it on my crease but still staying on outer corner mainly. Then I'm dipping into my favorite shimmer shade from this Juvia's Place Masquerade palette. It has spikes of fine shimmer to it, and that somehow complements my skin tone. And I'm going to apply it directly with my flat shader brush. It doesn't need a base or anything like that, and you can also apply it with your finger. And just because I want little something extra, I'm taking this loose shimmer from Ariya cosmetic. Look how subtle it is. It only shows when light hits it in a certain way, so it's not overwhelming and very much wearable. Then I'm going to curl my lash and follow up with lashes from Dodo Lashes and Glam Girls Glue. Using the Soph X Revolution highlighted palette, I'm going to highlight my inner corner, and then I'm going to be using the eye pencil in the inner corner as well. Then using flat shader brush, I'm going to diffuse that out. That finishes up the eye makeup. It's subtle, at the same time it's glam. I don't know how much the camera can capture, but in person it looks absolutely stunning. For my foundation, I'm going to be using PAC HD liquid foundation with rose hip oil from Deyga. This foundation gives you medium coverage and I want very little coverage today, so oil is going to help it sheer it out and will also add healthy glow to the finish. I'm just going to dot this all over my face using mixing spatula. I'm not going to use a lot. Again, with almost natural makeup look, I feel it's very important that your skin has even tone going on, because dark lipstick need their own attention, and if there are things that are going on your face like scars and pigmentation, which by the way it doesn't really matter that much. If you just feel comfortable in your skin that way, you can definitely do that, but because this is a makeup tutorial, I just wanted to go the extra mile and I'm showing everything. I'm basically trying to avoid distractions like pigmentation or acne scarring. It can take away from the bold lips, so I like to have like an even coverage on my face so that my lips and this kind of outfit can really stand out. I'm using my PAC stippling brush today and not my usual buffing brush. I want this application to be very sheer, and the dual fiber brushes like this one will pick up relatively less product than any other kabuki or sponge. So I'm also consciously avoiding my under eye right now because I don't want multiple layers of product there. That's the one part that creases very easily and shows that you have wore makeup. So yeah, I find these lashes to be too large, or like it doesn't really goes with my makeup. I really want my eye look to be very soft, so I'm just going to change the lashes into something very subtle and basically normal natural looking lashes. Now that foundation is done, I'm going to move on to my concealer. I'm going to be using Krylon Dermacolor Camouflage in the shade DFD with the flat concealer brush from Wet n Wild and apply it only on my dark circles. I wanted to pair this eye look with this really bold lip color, so I'm going to be using Matte Swiss Beauty Matte Me in deep maroon, and I'm only going to use that to outline my lips. I actually learned this from Snitchery. She recently talked about how liquid lipsticks, they don't stick to inner part of your lips, and when you talk it kind of looks weird. What she does is apply liquid lipstick as a liner, because we all love how long lasting and comfortable liquid lipsticks are, and on the center or inner part basically you apply bullet lipstick so it doesn't look bad. Next, I'm using Sugar Cosmetic Matte Attack Transfer Proof Lipstick in Spring Crimson, and Matte is Hell Crayon Lipstick in Baby Horseman. Then I'm gonna follow up with Clinique Super Balm Moisturizing Gloss. By the way, the lip brush I'm using is Pro Arte AL36. It's very flexible and precise. I have never used any other lip brush. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday, and sometimes bonus videos in between. For your convenience, I have listed every product that I have used in description box right below this video. And you'll also find my socials there in case you plan to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with my brand new video. Bye.